So, hello defense aspirant, welcome to this channel. Today we will talk about situation reaction test, which is an assessment part in the service selection board. So, today I will give you some tips and suggestions for your better performance while you are going for SSB in any of the selection centers. So, the procedure is quite simple that you are given a booklet of 60 questions which need to be completed in 30 minutes of time limit. Actually, you have to be yourself. Do not copy others. Read the book as reference, but do not copy their solutions because it will deviate you from your actual personality. Tips to write the solution. Actually, you have to be practical and while writing, but be quick. Your speed of writing is also matter a lot. While writing, be crisp and to the point. Your answer should be crisp and to the point. While writing the answer of a particular question, you need to write 2 to 3 lines only. Do not leave any situation in between because this shows unwillingness to tackle such a situation, and it also gives the signs that you are running away from from the particular situation. Try to solve at least 40 plus situations, but quality should not be compromised. Which means if you solve 45 questions of situation reaction test, but your quality is up to a particular standard which is required, so you are definitely being in the selection list. Ensure that the situation is resolved and you mention the outcome. Whatever you write the solution to the situation, your solution says that the situation is resolved, and you also mention what is the end result of that solution. Here are some suggestions that matters a lot while you're going for your assessment. Please do not give incomplete solution, finish the answer. Remember that there are no right or wrong answer. It all depends on how you think the situation and write the answer. Whatever comes to your subconscious mind, you have to write straight away in that booklet. Please do not overthink about that. Some factors are there like time, place, resources, priorities. Because you have to think about what kind of resources I have to use in this situation, what are my priorities first. So these things matter a lot while you are writing your solution for particular situation. For writing the solution, ensure that you do not give the different solution of same kind of situation. In the booklet, there are certain situations which are interrelated to each other. If you give different solutions, so it will uh, deviate your personality into the two particular humans, which is not required. You should be yourself, and your subconscious mind gives you a solution. You have to write that only. Finally, please do not overthink while writing the solutions. You have to give your natural responses. And the best way to develop the good natural responses is that whatever your subconscious mind is thinking, you should be with it only. And then you have to practice a question before you go for SSB and do the same thing in the real life. Assume that if I am there in the situation, what kind of responses I will give, what is my solution to this situation, please write that only. Actually, writing pattern is that here we take an example that uh, while going on a road, he saw that a house is on fire or a building is on fire. So he dash dash dash. Then the answer comes to my mind is he called the ambulance and fire brigade, rushed to the spot, raised the alarm, and evacuate. We can also add that with the help of fire extinguisher, he help the others to control the fire. This language is also known as the telecryptive language, which is to the point to the situation. And here we have the sequence also. So it is also known as a sequential manner, and we have a logical outcome out of this solution. Here we deal with some examples. So first, you are getting late in reaching meeting. You would. So what the solution which comes to my mind is that inform that you will reach the meeting a bit late, mention the reason, and catch up later and know what happened. This is the actually a practical solution to this situation. Please do not write unnecessary things or very detailed information about that. Be quick and always write practical solutions, whatever your subconscious mind think. Another situation is his captain was injured before a crucial match. He was asked to lead the team. He. The solution which comes to my mind is agreed to lead, motivate, motivated all his teammates, lead from the front and won the match. Here you can easily observe that he take the responsibility, lead the team, motivate his teammates, and won the match at last. So outcome is quite good that he won the match. He motivated his team, his personality showing a good behavior and a unity part of a kind of thing. And this is actually the leadership quality. So that's important that your task is completed successfully. Another situation is he was on his way to home. Suddenly it started raining heavily. The answer which comes to my mind is he waited under a shelter till it stopped raining and went back home after it stopped. So, this is a kind of a simple answer to this simple situation. At last, hope you give your assessment best and remember these points while writing SRTs. Like this channel if it provide you some knowledge. Have a good day and bye bye.